Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject English grammar chapter 8 number. So definition is that form of noun which signifies whether it is one or more is called number. In English, number has shown two forms. First is singular number is signified one person, place or thing. For example, boy, horse, chair, city, etc. Plural number it signify more than one person. So place, things and for example boys, horses, chairs, cities, etc. Okay. So following the rules of converting singular nouns into plural nouns. Rule number 1. By adding s in the end of singular noun. So here in singular they have given the words if we are converting in rule number 1 they will put s. So boy, boys, pen, pens, book, books, lock, locks, girl, girls, cow, cows, dog, dogs, house, houses, aunt, aunts, chair, chairs. So now in rule number 2, those singular nouns which have s, double s, cs, sh, z and x in their end are the plural by adding es. For example, box, boxes, buzz, buzzes, bush, bushes, topaz, topazes, fox, foxes, class, classes, watch, watches, bunch, bunches, dish, dishes, gas, gases. Now singular noun having y in their end and vowel a, e, o before y, then plural noun are made by adding s. So boy, boys, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, joy, joys. Now rule number 4. If singular noun adding y having any constant letter before y are made plural by converting y into ies. For example, baby, babies, fly, flies, lady, ladies, sky, skies, city, cities, country, countries, story, stories, enemy, enemies. Those singular now fifth rule. Now those singular noun which have f or fv in their and are made plural by converting f or fv into ver. For example, calf, cloud, caliphs, thief, thieves, leaf, leaves, knife, knives, wife, wives, wool, wools. In some word, f or f is not replaced by vs but simply as is adding to make them plural. Chief, chiefs, shape, safe, safes, roof, roofs, hope, hopes. Now rule number 6. Singular noun adding with o are made plural by adding es. For example, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes. Now if the singular word is in its short form of international word, then only added to make it plural is photo, photos, kilo, kilos, radio, radios, piano, pianos. Some singular words are made plural by changing their vowel a, e, i, o, u. For example, singular and plural man. So singular we use man, in plural we use men. Food double o and in plural double e. Singular double o and plural double e. Mouse and in mouse Mickey we have use mice. Some singular words are made plural by adding en or ren. This ox, oxen, child, children. The compound words are made plural by adding s in the word main, word, the main word may be in the beginning or and. For example, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, stepson, stepsons, stepfather, stepfathers. Now some nouns remain same in singular as well as in plural form. Deer, deer, ship, shape, fish, fish, dozen, dozen. So now rule number 11. Singular and plural form for pronoun are as following: I, we, me, us, my, our, myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, he, she, it is they, him, her, them, himself, herself is themselves, his, her is their. So the pronunciation of s or es is plural words may be different in different words. So here is singular word adding with p, t, k, f, o, th are made plural by adding s on their pronunciation is as: map, maps, mat, mats, pick, picks, proof, proofs, might, mites, cup, cups, heart, hearts, path, paths. Singular word adding with as such, z, cs, sc, ge are made plural by adding es and their pronunciation is. For example, brush, brushes, rose, roses, church, churches, age, ages. Now rest of the verb following made plural by adding as a pronunciation z: boy, boys, job, jobs, bulb, bulbs, film, films, girl, girls, teen, teens, eye, eyes, song, songs. Okay. Now here they have given you the table of the plural form of words, and this you have to read at your home. Now come to the exercise. First is the book on religion and culture are like instructions booklet. So here they have given you the singular and we have to put it on plural. So booklets. I had heard of elephants passed through that area. The rat started biting the ropes. They end up leading miserable lives like Roshlal, who was thrown these bits of paper. Very good, my children. We should help in our household activities. Great women have lived in the Chittorgarh palace. Many festivals are celebrated in India. The effigies were showed by Lord Ram. Okay, and the exercise number 2 is your homework, and this you have to do self at your home. So children, today we have completed chapter number 8. So here the rules from 1 to 11, and this rules also you have to learn it and read it at your home, and you have to read this table also. Thank you.